Again, John will be the test puller for this division.
How's my car?
Crazy X. Boost is building, and Crazy X makes his way down the track. John Manning, John with a good run to get the official distance. He'll pass it along. Set to go right now. He's showing Andrew Grove with red flag when everything's ready to go. And he gets the clear signal from the finish line area. That will change to green. And when he's ready to start building up the boost, as he is beginning to do right now, Andrew Grove is going to tackle this track. Race smoke increasing. It's going to be turning gray. It's black. We're ready to go. And turn off of the track. And again, J.R. Richardson gives our competitors the green flag. That's the signal to get ready to go. Gray smoke is building. Turning a bit darker. Turning dark and cloud and the wind. Another good run. All right. Avery gets the green, he's already building up the boost. There we go, making power. Driver to go. He was the test pilot for the speed. He said he can get more out of his truck than that, so he's coming back. But right now, he is 12 Ekowitz with the track shift that everybody's shooting for. Right now, it's James Gardner building up the turbo. Turbo boost is working. Here we go. Track crew making their way off the track. North Disneyland begins pulling the turbo. Inside underneath the hood of that Chapter 11 truck. 318 Norman Newswagner. Another good run here tonight. All right. Track work is complete. 2 to serve. You can hear the RPM coming up. You can see the turbos is coming up. And we are off to didn't sound real good there at the end. Quite a difference. Let's see if John's up to the challenge at Ward 9. Crazy F getting hooked up to the flag. Green light is on, green flag is out for John, indicating he can go when he is ready. And of course, when that machine's ready, turbo boost is building. We'll get the official distance here.
He was trying to shut it down. Now, did you see frantic things like that? He's trying to shut it down. Yeah.
See if the excavation superintendent can make some dirt fly here. Green lights are on, green flag is out. JR says track's ready to go. Troy Dale beginning the next 10 count. At the starting line. Here we go. Getting it done here tonight. He's been pulling since the 90s, the mid-90s, he says. Former drag racer going tractor and truck pulling and having a great time. 296.66 the distance. Talk about getting it done. 1,600 horsepower sounds pretty good. Is right where it needs to be, not making any adjustments. Green light flash on. One quick glance by JR. He gives the green flag. And we are about to get off and underway. Chevrolet Talent. in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Abbottstown, Maryland, as well as Frederick, Maryland. We want to thank everybody at Bobcat of York and Adams County for their support of the pulling action here tonight at Lincoln Speedway. As Iron Butterfly begins on the turn getting the track. Lincoln Speedway. The signal goes up. We are ready to begin. So Ted Lamb now working his way down the track. Another good run. This time again, Ted Lamb. It's silver point two. All right. Mr. Chevy, Dan Savvy. Gets the indication that his racetrack is time to run. He's got a work cutout point, 340.92. Just set by Dan Caddy. Tests them up. But it's going to be Eric Mitchell now. Here we go. All right. Eric Mitchell. As soon as we get the report, we'll pass it along. Through exit the track area. It is snow. Green light flash on. Green flag goes in the air. have killed more than time there. Does come to a stop. Well, we would like to thank send a special thank you out to his wife Pam. His mom and dad. Third month later, Maryland, the hometown for Buster Adams. Paid for pulling trailers down the highway. Look at that, Buster Adams, great one. Impressive. If I can have anybody's attention, please. You understand there has been some questions about the street class, and we'll finish that in just a second. It is time for Inconvenience, Albert Brown. All right, Albert Brown comes to a stop. Made much difference to Buster Adams. He had that Cummins powered Peterbilt flying down the track. As we mentioned, the Copperhead with Earl Hostetter, again, there's a kill switch that everybody has to have to hook up, and when he hooked his up, it was actually killing the engine. So this is a safety deal. They're going to give him an opportunity to get it repaired and get back down. Right now, it's as soon as we get the official distance, we'll pass it along. All right. The signal changes colors to green. And we are ready to go. to a stop. Time check. Carl Simon. Ready to go. 2001 straight line.